Everyone wants pretty privileges until they realize what it actually costs. Because no one tells you that being seen as pretty can become the only thing that people see. From the outside, it looks perfect. People treat you better, you get a lot of attention, and everything just comes to you a lot easier. And honestly, who wouldn't want that? But no one tells you that how quickly it changes into something else. Because the moment you are seen as the pretty one, that label starts to replace everything else about you. Once you are considered pretty and fit into the standard, people forget everything else about you. They don't see you for your personality or your talent, they see you for your looks. And you might think, wow, people finding me pretty, who doesn't want that? But trust me, pretty privilege has a very dark side. Does how you look really impact how the world treats you? Absolutely, yes. People who are often considered beautiful and just fit into this construct are often treated better than others. If you are pretty, you get opportunities, things, love just easily presented to you in front of you, and you can say that life is on easy mode for them. Like we see on the internet, how just being pretty gets you millions of views. Like you don't even have to show your talent, you just have to be pretty, and people like you for that. But every coin has two sides. Sure, you do get a lot of attention, but all that attention isn't good, and most of them especially comes from men. We have been seeing this from generations on how a woman is treated and objectified just because she is pretty. They don't see her as someone who is pretty and talented and interesting. No, they just see her as pretty and that is it. You are objectified because you're pretty, and that's actually one of the biggest downsides of pretty privilege. Sure, people do see that you're pretty, but look at what cost it comes from. You are noticed more and understood less. And I'm not saying it always happens, but it does happen. And you know what is even worse than getting objectified by a man? It is getting objectified by a woman. Sure, there are so many girls that uplift you and appreciate you, but there are also women that brings other women down just because they are jealous. There's always just some kind of unspoken tension that is jealousy, comparison, and at one point every girl must have felt it. And as much as it pains me to say this, there are a lot of women that objectify other women just because they're insecure about themselves and are jealous of other women. And it's not always hate, it's just comparison that the other one is prettier or whatever. They make weird assumptions on how the other person looks, and that takes me to the next thing, assumptions. And I hate it so much because just because you're pretty, people make weird assumptions about you. Like before even talking to you, they make weird assumptions like, oh, she's pretty, she must be so full of herself. Like you did not even talk to the person, and no matter how good of a person you are, people will always judge you based on your looks. Like, oh, she posts herself so much, she's so pretty, she must be a narc. Like you did not even talk to that person, you did not even get to know to the person, but you're already making assumptions about that person. And it saddens me so much because you cannot avoid it. It's not on your behalf, like it's not your fault, it's on others people insecurity that just shows up. And the most toxic thing that isn't talked about enough is how once you are considered pretty, there is this always constant pressure to stay the same way. Like you're not allowed to have bad days or look average or just be normal, because the moment you don't meet the same standard, people start noticing, and not in a good way. It's like your value become tied to how you look, and suddenly you're constantly trying to maintain something that was never meant to define you in the first place. You start overthinking everything, how you look, how your face, your body looks, and in every situation. And suddenly you're not just putting efforts for yourself anymore, you are doing it to keep up with these toxic standards. And the worst part is you don't even realize when it starts, and it slowly goes from I want to look good to I have to look good, from confidence to pressure, from enjoying how you look to constantly keeping up with these standards. And suddenly it's not enjoyable or fun anymore because you're just not doing it for yourself, you're just doing it for other people. And the scary part is no one tells you that this is the price you pay for it. Because yeah, pretty privilege gives you attention, but it also makes that attention conditional. The moment you don't look the same, the way people treat you changes just as fast. So yeah, being pretty comes with a price of being objectified, facing jealousy, and just this constant pressure of looking good. So the girl you think has it the easiest way is probably carrying all of this. And the worst part is it doesn't have an end, it just keeps on going every single day, and somehow that's still called a privilege.